When getting ready to start the process of selling a house in probate, you're currently in a great position to sell today. Housing inventory is still incredibly low, driving up buyer competition. This gives selling a California probate house leverage to sell for the best possible terms, and the sale of a property is fueling a steady rise in home prices. Hi, I'm Kim Ward. I'm a certified probate real estate advisor here in San Diego, California. And my team and I have helped hundreds of executors, administrators, and trustees to prepare, market, and sell homes here in San Diego. In such a hot market, California houses are still selling quickly. According to the National Association of Realtors, NAR, homes are typically on the market for just 18 short days. Despite the speed and opportunity for sellers, there are still steps for you to take to prep for selling a California probate house to shine as you get the greatest possible return. So let's talk about prep a bit. I just helped with a house in El Cajon, and when I met with my client, she didn't want to do anything to prepare the house for sale. But as I walked through the house, I noticed some things that could use cost-effective repairs. And the reason is I want buyers to walk into the house and absolutely love the property, even when it still needs updated. So I talked with my client and she agreed to follow my lead. I organized some exterior painting because some of the eaves were peeling paint, but a lot of the property looked great on the outside. This house actually had a brand new roof and brand new heating and air conditioning systems. So doing a few tweaks I knew would increase the price and the net proceeds to the estate. She agreed to the exterior painting. Inside, I had new carpet installed. I changed out the knobs on the kitchen cabinets to something more modern. And there were a few more repairs that just needed to happen. The total cost was approximately $7,500. This was a pretty big house, so the carpet alone was about $4,000. Well, you know what happened? The property went on the market for $950,000. Received multiple offers within days, and I was able to negotiate $1,050,000 sales price on that home, and it closed in less than 3 weeks. Of course, the client was outrageously happy, and those preparations were the right thing to do. So we want to make buyers feel at home, and one of the ways to make this happen is to take the time to clean up the house. Because this is a probate, we pack away the personal property early on, like the pictures and the awards and the sentimental belongings. The more neutral and tidy of the space, the easier it is for a buyer to picture themselves living there. According to the 2021 profile of home staging by NAR, 82% of buyers' agents said staging a home made it easier for a buyer to visualize the property as their future home. Now, I do believe that staging with furniture is a great idea, but it's also quite costly. So what I've done is a bit of a hybrid. My team and I soft stage. We bring in towels, shower curtains, pictures, things to put on the counters in the kitchen, curtains to put on the rods. We update the older curtains with something new from my staging storage. And it makes a huge difference on how the house appears to the home buyers. So not only do these houses then potentially attract the attention of more buyers, they're more likely to sell quickly. And the NAR report says that 18% of sellers' agents said home staging increases the dollar value of the sale of the property by 6 to 10%. So staging a home helps consumers to see the full potential of a given space or property, and it features the home in its best light and helps would-be buyers envision its various possibilities. But again, we can do the same with soft staging, and it's no extra cost to my clients. On top of making an effort to declutter when selling a California probate house, it's important for a smooth sale to provide a clean home. Since my clients, many of them are not in San Diego, and perhaps we meet once when they come here to go through the personal property of their loved one's home, I then will organize for them to have the house cleaned. An average cleaning of a house, including wiping down the cabinets, cleaning out the appliances, really deep cleaning the house, costs about $350. To have the windows done professionally is another $300, and it's money well spent, and I organize the whole thing so that my sellers can know that the house of their loved one is presenting as well as possible to the home buyers interested in the home. So the next thing is really giving buyers access to the property. Buyers are more likely to make an offer in a property in California if they are easily able to schedule a time to check it out. So when selling a house in probate, most of them are vacant and buyers can view the home just about any time. That opens up more opportunities for multiple buyers to go from curious to eager. It also allows buyers on tight schedules to still get in to see the probate property. And the next thing is to price it right. Even in a seller's market, it's crucial when selling a California probate house to set the right price to maximize selling potential. Pricing a property in California too high is actually a detriment to selling a house in probate or in any property in California. The goal is to drive high attention from competing buyers and let bidding wars push the final sales price up. You'll want to work with a trusted real estate professional to determine the best list price for the house. Having an expert on your side in this process is truly essential. The bottom line is, if you want to have a good experience through selling a California probate house with the best terms in the least amount of time and for the best price, today's market sets the stage to make that happen. We're also going to want to make sure that you have a certified probate real estate advisor or someone that is an expert with probate to help you through that process also. And there are many more videos on this site that can show you how it's important to have someone that knows probate to take you through the preparation, marketing, and sale of the home. So let's connect today so we can determine the best ways to maximize the sale of the house in probate and talk about your exact circumstances. Thank you for watching. I look forward to helping you through this process.